pink, you can do red, you can do silver, you can do gold, however you would like. You pick the designs that you would like, or the line that you want. Even like the line, you can do the white one too. So this is like one of really quick, simple, and super easy tutorial. Looks super cute. All right, Kia for 30 seconds. And then I'm gonna using is the 3-step system to doing really cute simple, like few crystal on it. For a lot of you love really nice simple look. Condensed glue gel, no web top coat, and precision glue gel. There's a lot of question asked, what do I do to adhere a crystal in there? I'm gonna need the crystal kits. And really thin coat of the condensed glue gels. Not too thick, not too thin. Too thin is not gonna adhere your crystal properly. Too thick is gonna flood your crystal. So you're gonna using about a good amount of it. And on this designs, I'm going to do is right in the cuticle area, right here. Okay. And then we are going to flood it completely. Floating the top coat right. If you are doing, should we doing a matte on this one or shiny? If we do shiny, you can do matte. Is if you're doing a matte, you can, instead of doing a shiny, you adding a matte on. Okay. Oh, I'm loving this one right here. I'm gonna do this one, the red. So cute. I'm gonna do is really cute and simple ones with you. This is the newest kit, is the Ultimate Crystal Kit, and this is the perfect combination. I'm loving it. I'm gonna add this one right there, and I got a really super cute drop. Matching the crimson. So this is come with like 20 different colors, and it had the centerpiece with this. So I'm gonna add this one. Can you see it on the under the camera?
Yes.
Fabulous. It had everything I would need. It has a beads, and it's had the charm. And I say it's just a really cute and simple. Is that simple to you? Really good? What you all think? Really cute and simple, yeah?
Yep.
Nice and easy. Right, if you decide to, it looks really good and you love it, leave it alone and key it for 60 seconds. Oh, it is so simple and easy. Super easy.